Got a bun in your oven? Give your mouth some extra lovin' with Dental Hygiene Wednesday. Hi, I'm Christina. I'm the lead hygienist here at Dublin Dental Care. I want to welcome you to our Dental Hygiene Wednesdays. Every week we like to cover different topics or products that we use here in our office just to give our viewers and our patients some information that they can use to help keep their mouths nice and healthy. Last week we talked about what you should do if you lose an adult tooth, how to keep it preserved so that hopefully it can get put back in your gums, and how often or how quickly you should come into the office. This week we are talking about pregnancy and what type of problems being pregnant could cause to your mouth overall. Pregnancy is a fun time in your life. It's exciting, you have a new one on the way, but there's also a lot of stuff to get ready for. But we want to make sure that you are keeping your mouth in mind and keeping that nice and healthy too, because with pregnancy it can cause issues in your mouth. You know, you're growing a baby inside of you, and a lot of times your hormones are all crazy, and that can also cause issues with your gums. It can cause your gums to bleed more frequently or easily, so that is definitely something to keep an eye on. If you do notice your gums are starting to bleed more, make sure you're brushing at least 2, I would say probably 3 times a day, and flossing at least 1 time a day. That way you're keeping everything nice and clean. I'd also recommend using those stimulants that we've shown you before in the videos. That'll help keep the blood flow up to the tip so that your gums aren't getting infected. Something else you need to be aware of, if unfortunately you do have morning sickness, which some people do get unfortunately with pregnancy, it is major that you remember that that is acid that's being put onto your teeth. So if you're getting sick pretty frequently, keep in mind that can affect your teeth also. It can cause some breakdown to occur on your tooth structure, and you could eventually get a cavity if it's exposed enough. So what I recommend is, if you do get sick in the morning, don't brush your teeth right away. We don't want you to rub that acid all over your tooth structure. What I recommend is getting some water, swishing it around in your mouth and spitting it back out, and then maybe drinking a little water just to help rinse that acid off of your teeth, and then going through and brushing your teeth. That way, hopefully you don't have that acid sitting on there anymore when you go to brush your teeth, and you are spreading that acid a little less than what you would if you brushed right away. Another thing is, with pregnancy, you get a lot of different cravings. So a lot of times, I know when I was pregnant, I was craving tons of sweets. So it is important to keep in mind, if you are eating a little differently, you're exposing your teeth to more of that type of food with the sugar that breaks down and can cause cavities, that you are brushing after you eat those types of foods, and if you can't brush, you're rinsing with water to help get that food off of your tooth so that it's not exposed to that acid breakdown that occurs when you do eat foods like that. So I know it's an exciting time in your life and it's the best, enjoy it, but also make sure that you're taking care of your teeth and your mouth during the process, and also make sure you come in so that we can get your teeth nice and clean. Some people have heard you're not supposed to come into the dentist, and that is not right. We want you to come in so we can keep an eye on your gums and your tissue health, and also your teeth, to make sure that it's not getting out of control and you are keeping it nice and healthy and maintained. I want to thank you for joining me today. I always look forward to having you guys viewing these videos. Make sure you leave your comments or your likes on these. We love seeing those. If you have any questions for me personally, you can email me. My email is christina@dublindentalcareohio.com, and feel free to visit our website. It is dublindentalcareohio.com. You can even schedule your next appointment there. We look forward to seeing you, and we hope you have a great week. Thank you.